Hi friends, I'm Megan, your travel bestie helping you explore the world with confidence, and today we're talking about the cross-border express in Tijuana that goes from San Diego to Tijuana to get you into the Tijuana airport, which will save you a lot of money on flights in and out of Mexico. My husband and I have used the CBX bridge I think 5 times since we've lived in San Diego. It's super easy to use, but I remember when we first wanted to do it, I was Googling everything about it. I had no idea what it looked like. I had no idea if it was like safe, if it was like a border crossing station or like what it was. I had no idea. And so I did research for hours. And so on this last trip we did, I filmed the entire process, start to finish, inside, outside, everything, so you can see exactly what it'll look like when you get there and how to navigate it as a traveler heading over into Mexico. We have absolutely loved this option and will continue to use it. So come on, let's go. The first thing you're going to see when you walk in the building is off to the right, you'll be able to get your checked baggage tags, and off to the left, you're going to see a group of computers over here that says fill out your immigration forms. You can fill out this form ahead of time. However, we've done it there in person every time. We haven't had a huge wait or issue with that in the past, and there's employees that are there waiting to help you, and they'll help you print out all your documents, and then you're ready to go. You will obviously need to bring your passport, and then you'll use that form, and then you need your CBX ticket. There will be a staff member ready to let you through that first gate, and then you're going to scan all of your documents at that gate. She's just going to make sure you have everything that you need, including your boarding pass that you can show her on your phone. I tend to be a little bit old school in this scenario and print them out. If there's not a huge line, it takes about 7 minutes to walk through the first portion. You'll just keep following the signs. There's really only one direction you can go, and following the signs towards Tijuana Airport. And you will eventually get to the first security checkpoint, which I can't show you on camera, but if you are staying in Mexico more than 7 days, you will need to pay a tourism fee, and they'll be giving you all the instructions with the staff that are there on site. If you need help, they'll help you figure out the whole portal, payment system, and everything. Good morning from the Tijuana airport. We're using the Cross-Border Express, which is like a mile-long bridge between San Diego and the Tijuana airport. A lot of people use this because it makes your flights a lot cheaper than flying out of San Diego into Mexico. So we just went through the first checkpoint. Scan your CBX ticket, your immigration forms, your boarding pass, and then we'll go through Mexican border control and TSA. After you go through that immigration checkpoint, you are in the Tijuana airport. If you have bags, you'll drop them off here to your left. If not, continue on down the stairs to your right. You'll then go through the equivalent of TSA, and then again, you're in the airport, and you'll just go to your flight and enjoy your time in Mexico. Once you land back in the Tijuana airport, you are going to see signs directing you towards the Cross-Border Express. You're just going to follow those signs. It will also take you to the baggage claim, so you can pick up your bags before you go through the Cross-Border Express. Then again, just follow the signs to San Diego, go through the different lines, and you're gonna again want to have your documents ready, which is your passport, your CBX ticket, and your boarding pass. They won't need to see that immigration form again since that was just going from the US to Mexico. Then you'll head up the stairs and over to the US Customs and Border Control. If you have a different visa, you will have to fill out an I-94 and some of that other documentation, but if you're a US citizen, you just keep walking all the way through, and then you're done. And then you'll walk out into the lobby that has rental car options if you need to rent a car when you're in San Diego, and also some snacks. I hope this helps relieve some of your fears and cautions about using the CBX bridge. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them, and I hope that you'll follow along for more adventures. See you soon, friend.